So again, canvas model. Okay, not this one. Hold on. Right, nice. Good. Right. Coffee bean grinders. You have a lot of partners there. Coffee delivery companies. You're partnering with everyone. So I guess there's an advantage when you partner with all these players upstream of your supply chain. So for your company, upstream is where you source your coffee. All right, that's where you'll find your farmers and even the delivery trucks delivering the raw material to you. And the mere idea that you are interested in establishing partnerships with them tells me that you really are keen on giving the best service. All right, so key activities providing unique coffee flavors. All right. Maybe you'll come up with your own flavor. I don't know. Invent a flavor. Having experienced employees, yes. Making it I think you have here, is it selling it on social media? Using creative advertising methods. Yes, good. Key resources, definitely raw material, machine, staff, vehicles. All right. Customer relationship, long term. All right. So you have to come up with a way of, you have to come up with a strategy of keeping your customers. All right. Yes, you need to keep your customers. Customer segments, working adults, also persons between the ages of 13 and above, and generally a wide variety of a wide spectrum of the market. Revenue streams, coupons for people who follow on social media, setting up online competitions and winners. That may not be those are like marketing strategies, but revenue streams for you might be your brick and mortar store. Might be, you can actually sell, you can create your own coffee and bottle it, put it in a package and sell it on Amazon. You with me on that? Yeah. So your revenue streams may not simply be the coffee that you sell in your shop. You can even create merchandise for it. So you may have a store where you sell T-shirts with Coffeeholic on it, and you with me on that? You got me? Yeah. So those are some other revenue streams you can explore. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Good work though. Very good work. Coffeeholic coming to a neighborhood near you.